So today we're gonna be making a recipe called pasta carbonara, which is spaghetti, cheese, and everything that tastes good, really good. The first step is to wash our hands with soap. Maybe you cannot see that I'm using soap, but I use soap, and you have to be like 20 seconds. Yeah, 20 seconds. Yeah. Well, to start, we will cut the meat into pieces or squares or whatever you want, but they have to be small. I had to use chicken breast because I didn't have the meat that should be used for the recipe. Well, I'll cut first. I cut the meat into strips, or maybe we can call it or a fancy way, like button it. Well, and also I make sure to cut the meat in on a cutting board to knock out the real table, and then I cut it into pieces. So now, then we have to scratch the cheese with the grater. I divided each ingredient in two because like we are a big family, so like a little, I don't know. I thought maybe I should double the ingredients. Well, I was scratching the cheese. So now basically we have to grab 3 eggs in a bowl, and then we add 3 eggs into that bowl. I didn't really duplicate this one because I don't know. I feel like it. Actually, we would need 4 eggs. And the 4th egg, we have to separate the yolk with the white and put the yolk with the other 3 eggs. And there you go. Well, after the 3 eggs we added the yolk, we have to mix it, both of them, simply with a fork or with a whisk, whatever you want. If you feel comfortable with the fork, or if you feel comfortable with the whisk, whatever you want. Okay. And then after that, mixing it. So now, after doing that, we will apply the mixed eggs inside the cheese, and again mix so that everything comes together. And also we have to add a little black pepper to make the flavor. So before to put the meat into the pan, I put like a little bit of salt, and then I put it in the pan again, and I sprayed it, and I let it stay like 5 minutes or like 7 minutes. So now basically, I'm grabbing the spaghetti, and right here I'm like cutting the spaghetti in half because I think it's cool, and I'm gonna get more spaghetti. Well, while the meat is cooked, we will put water in a pot over medium heat, and when it is hot, we will add the spaghetti. I added twice because again we are a great family. A big family. So after that, I check that and see if is it done, to be able to put it in the same pan as the meat. So it looks like yes. So I decided to use a pair of tongs to grab the spaghetti, but I realized, as you can see, that I said, no, it's not gonna work. Nope. And so I had to use a strainer to separate the water and the spaghetti. So after doing that, we mix it, and to finish, we add the sauce. in the spaghetti and mix it again. I was like 5 minutes mixing it, but if it finally tastes good. And so yeah, ready to eat.